Ellie, did you just cough? Oh, I got to tell you something. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All I do is cough. 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 You need to control your coughing because it is very cringe. If you do not stop coughing like a rude Indian, you can kiss my dirty stanky ass. Coughing really loudly is against a jaunty law. Oh yes, there is a jaunty law. And that's all I have to say. That's all I have to say. That's all I have to say. All I do is cough. 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 Yeah! Yeah!